Hi guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to say excuse me in Chinese. There are many expressions. We are going to talk about 3 expressions here. Okay, let's learn how to say excuse me. The first one is Qing Wan. Qing Wan. Qing Wan. Now you say it. Qing means please and Wan means to ask. So may I ask or excuse me? Qing Wan. Here is the example that how you can use this expression in a sentence. 请问你还好吗？请问 excuse me 你还好吗？ Are you okay? 请问你还好吗？ Another expression to say excuse me is 劳驾 劳驾 May I trouble you? 劳驾 Here is the example to show how you can use this in a sentence. 劳驾，你能给我那本书吗？劳驾 Excuse me, 你能给我那本书吗？ Can you give me that book? 劳驾，你能给我那本书吗？ In previous lessons, you have learnt 对不起 as sorry, but you can also use it in a sense of excuse me because you are going to trouble someone. So you can start your conversation with 对不起 对不起 excuse me. Let's see the example. 对不起，你说什么？对不起 excuse me 你说什么 What you say? 对不起，你说什么？ Keep watching our videos to learn Chinese language in easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If there is any question, feel free to ask. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at GoGo Chinese Class. Till the next video, bye.